Good morning, guys. I won't take up too much of your time. I just want to give you guys a quick recap of futures in NASDAQ and give you guys the pivot levels and setups to watch out for so that we can make some money today, right now. Yesterday, we spoke about that 58.81 level, okay? I had the 58.81 level. I also had that 58.44 level. I mentioned because we cleared that level on Monday that if it turns into support and hold, we can get more upside. Well, 58.44 held us support. We cleared 58.81 and managed to go to a high of 59.27. Okay, 5,927. And almost hit my next fib level around 59.30. Can we still hit that fib level? Very possible if the SPY stays above that 58.81 level. And remember, guys, if you watch my SPY content, you know I talk about day trading using on the 15-minute chart. Well, if you go on the 15-minute chart and look at this, day trading, Uncle Charter style works really well as well. Look at that. Wowzers. You see that? We cleared that level, 58.81 level, 945 candle, right on the 15-minute chart, and it gave us that nice pop to the upside. So I'm giving you these pivot levels, and I'm also telling you what I do. You don't have to listen, but that's what I do. Use a 15-minute chart to trade them. We could be consolidating. We could be consolidating, maybe get a little bit of chop a little bit, okay? Because we did get a nice pump to the upside these last couple of trading days, okay? But overall, I'm going to stay bullish on futures as long as above 58.81. That's the stairways up. It clears a level. As long as it stay above that level it cleared, I'm going to remain bullish because the breakout stays intact. So above 58.81 keeps yesterday's breakout intact. And if there is going to be more follow through, 59.27 and 59.30 are the resistant levels you want to watch. Because if that zone clears, there's a good chance we pop back up to 6,000 or higher. Above 59.27 and 59.30, if it clears, there's a good chance we pop back to 6,000 or higher. Now, if you want to play a pullback or a potential reversal, if it is a reversal, you want to see a high volume sell-off. You want to see fear in the price action. And usually it all starts with a false breakout setup. So like I said, 58.81 cleared yesterday. So bears, you want to see that level fail today. If it doesn't fail, then there's no bearish setup. But if it does fail, then you got your bearish setup. React unbiasedly. If it fails, yesterday's breakout will be in question and possibly a false breakout. Put in 58.44 or lower in play. There's a good chance we pop all the way back down to 57.76 area. Okay, to retest a previous fib level, but also this up green trend line. Okay, it's looking a bit steep, and below 57.76 bears would be in full control because I would be breakdown mode. All right, guys, so above 58.81 stay bullish. Below 58.81 possible pullback. Let's keep it simple. Here is the NASDAQ also with the breakout of 21,073. Now I do have the next resistance level at 21,346.5. Okay, it's a mouthful. We can round it to 21,350 if you guys want. But as long as above 21,073, 21,350 will be in play. And if it clears, it's a good chance 21,968 and back to 23,000 would be targets and at least get hit. If you are going to play a pullback, remember, you got to look at the last level, the last critical level that was cleared. What was it? It was 21,073. So if it breaks back down, that's your false breakout. Okay, you get that false breakout. That is your trigger to enter puts. Otherwise, above 21,073, it's overall bullish, and clearing 21,350 should send us back to the upside. Remember, Uncle uses the 15-minute chart to the 30-minute chart to trade intraday. You can use what you want to do. Okay, we clear resistant. That's your chance to go long. We break down support. That's your chance to go short. All right, watch out for traps. Better yet, trade with them. Love y'all. Peace.